In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Apex Legends account from Xbox to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing your Apex Legends account links and making sure that Xbox is properly linked to PC is extremely simple. All that you have to do is visit the EA Help website at help.ea.com. You can find this website through a web browser when you visit the main EA website, and after you are here on the help section, switch over to manage account. If you aren't signed in, you will get the prompt to do so, or you can select the option at the top right corner of the screen and make sure that you are signed into the EA account where you would like to link Apex Legends from Xbox to PC. So once you are done signing into an EA account and you switch over to manage account, you will find this option here, link accounts. This is where you can start the process of linking the Xbox account to PC, and immediately upon clicking that option, we will be redirected to this page where we have plenty of links that we can make. So we have the PlayStation Network account, the Xbox account, which is what we're looking for, Apple, Steam, Discord, etc. All you have to do here, as you expect, is to click the option to link Xbox. Another window will open and you will have to input a verification code every time you do this. Keep that in mind. For this video, I'm going to skip this, but all that you have to do after you input the verification code is link the Microsoft account or the Xbox account. You will be asked to sign in to confirm your identity, and after you do, they will ask for permissions through your EA account. Agree to the terms and conditions and give them the permissions, and the Xbox account will be properly linked. Keep in mind that if you already played Xbox Apex Legends, there should already be an Xbox account linked here, as long as you were using this same EA account. So you don't really have to worry about that. But maybe you want to proceed to Xbox after playing inside of a PC for a while. This is all you have to do. With the Xbox account properly set up, you can run Apex Legends with the same EA account on PC or Xbox and get any benefits from doing so. I hope I was able to help you on how to link Xbox to PC on Apex Legends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.